Do you want to make your Instagram profile card? You can create and share your profile card on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to make Instagram profile card. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To create an Instagram profile card, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, you're on your Instagram profile. Below the profile picture and bio section, you'll see the Edit Profile and Share Profile buttons. Now, tap on the Share Profile button. A new screen will appear with the QR code for your profile. To create your Instagram profile card, swipe left or right on the current QR code. You will now see your Instagram profile card. If you want to update any details on your profile card, tap Edit Profile and make the necessary changes. Once you're ready, tap the Download button to save this card to your device. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select either QR code or profile info. Once saved to your device, you can share it directly via messaging apps, email, or social media by selecting the appropriate option.